my car, Aventador, getting loaded onto transport. Gonna be shipped down to Gintani again, actually, because I'm gonna be doing the F1 exhaust from Gintani. And not only the F1 exhaust, we're gonna be doing the OBD2 flasher, because I'm gonna be able to switch maps from their 91 tune to their E85. Woo! Close fit. Tight one. Kind of nerve-wracking, to be honest. Sounds pretty crazy, this thing, but it's gonna sound even more crazy with the Gintani F1. My tune has always been from Gintani, and it's been super reliable. I've had it on for almost 10,000 miles. This car's got like 9,800 miles. I probably put the tune on there at like 800 miles. And I got the car new in 2019 with about 70 miles. So yeah, Gintani's been on there for a long time, and it's been reliable always. I've always kept in touch with Alex, and back then when I got the tune, he didn't have the F1 exhaust, but I've always wanted it. And you know, I've been so tempted because let's be honest, there's nobody that has that high-pitched sound like they do. They just do it right. He has a new OBD2 flashing device where I can have different maps, different tunes on the car. And that means I can actually do E85, which I love. I love E85 because the cars run cooler and you get higher octane, so there's more power. And you know, Alex, he definitely knows how to tune it better than anybody. It was kind of tight to get in there because the offset of my Brixton wheels are wider than usual. That's why I have that amazing fitment. Thank you guys, Adam and Stuart. Okay, ball's in your court, Alex. Now that was sick. And here I wanted to share with you guys the actual dyno sheet. There's some pretty healthy numbers. You can freeze frame and take a look at the wheel horsepower and the wheel torque numbers on the bottom of the sheet. The red line representing 91 pump gas and the green line representing E85 ethanol. As you can see, there's better or more power generated with the ethanol. So on this go around, I really wanted to make sure that I sent the entire car down to get it on the dyno so I could actually generate a dyno sheet so I could really see what type of performance numbers the car was making. My car being an Aventador S, it is advertised as having 740 crank horsepower. So as you can see here, the wheel horsepower that car makes on 85 is even more than that. As you saw, it was in Gintani's place, and Alex over there has been tuning it, making it into more of a monster than it already is. So he added some E85 maps, which added a ton more horsepower, which is sick. The flames, as you see, they look crazy. He developed an F1 exhaust with customized tips just for me. Thank you so much, Alex. I truly appreciate that. And that beast is finally back. I cannot wait to try this car out. It just looks so sick on everything I've seen on videos. So I can't wait to actually drive it myself and feel that power of that E85 maps. They made some good time all the way from LA. Yo, long time no see.
Yeah. Been about a month.
Oh yes, I've been in Hawaii. Alex has been in Barbados. Yes. And he left his Gintani plate on there. Oh, yeah, these are mine. Let's hear how this beast sounds. I definitely noticed a difference. I don't know if you see it and hear it, but I do. I mean, like, I've had this car that's been loud, but this is louder. It's definitely louder. I noticed a difference. It's crazy. I know most people don't show this with a Gintani exhaust, but I actually got the one with valves, so check this out. Because Alex is kind of civilized at times too. He's got a family. Of course, you guys know this car. Whoa. Needs no introduction. Well, as you can see, I love that new Gintani exhaust on my Aventador S. It's already gotten me in trouble. I got a speeding ticket. That's why I called you ticket dismissers to help me out with that one. But yeah, you know, what are you gonna do? I mean, it kind of comes with the territory. That E85 tune, oh, it's amazing. It pulls way harder. So what's next with that Aventador? I mean, maybe twin turbo? Who knows? I know, I mean, Alex like talks to me about that all the time over at Gintani. And yeah, I mean, I think that's definitely a possibility. It kind of depends, you know, on a couple things. I'm also trying to see if I'm gonna do that on my STO. So you'd have to change it from a rear wheel drive to an all-wheel drive, which kind of changes the whole dynamics of the car, but you know, that might be cool, you know, so you know, we'll see. And but for the Aventador, for sure though, we do have something new planned for the car, something that's kind of been long overdue. It's more on the appearance of the car, so stay tuned for that. I already dropped it off over somewhere to start the process, so we'll be updating you on that in future episodes coming up, and also on an update on my Revuelto. So that should be up on the next episode. All right, take care everybody. Thanks for watching. Peace.